Hi everyone. So I did a post on Instagram and on the community tab that Spellbinders was having a spring sale. So I did place an order and their sale ranged from $1 to $10, I believe. But everything I got was $3, $2, and $1. So I bought this for a crafty friend and I believe this was $1. And it is just some faith stickers. And then look at how they package the rest of it. All of it came really nice and well packaged, which I really appreciate. So they also had some Jane Davenport items at the time of the sale. So I got this stamp set right here. I basically wanted this lady. I thought she was absolutely beautiful. I loved her face. And it was giving me kind of like Ariel vibes from Disney. And then there's this lady over here. And then I think this is speak fluent sarcastic. And then there is the little swirly down here, which is just a nice little background stamp to go ahead and use. Oh, look, and then it gives you the little example in the back. That's cute. Okay, so this is this girl right here. I wasn't really digging her, but the way that they did her in the little circle, I actually really like that. That is super cute. And then, what was this? You've been booed. I don't remember what this is. 4 door cards. Let me open this. Okay, so I got that open. So it comes in different sizes and it just says you've been booed. So there's 4 there and then a larger one there. So they're just like little cards. I think that was $1. And then there's this one. It's so funny. It gives me like Lisa Frank vibes. And then look at the example right there. It totally does. And I don't remember what spoke to me. Probably this best friend stamp. Or probably this one. Oh, these are really cute too. Like it is like little flowers, but the flower part is a heart. So yeah, this one's really cute. Not really sure if I would use the big old kitty on the girl, but I have it now, so I can definitely play with that. And then let's see. Here's another stamp. I love the little floral in there. So that's what that one looks like. And then the main reason why I wanted to order was they had these flowers. And I think they were only $1 at the time that I ordered. And they are just so pretty. So we have these. And I know they're in white, but I'm thinking I could probably watercolor these was my thought. So I'm going to go ahead and try that. And then we have these flowers that I think are just gorgeous. They are like in this cream color. Super pretty. So I'm going to be playing with those. And then it does have like a little greenery up there. Let's see. These ended up being so much smaller than I thought. The good thing is I like that it comes in these envelopes. Let me show you how fancy it is. If I would have known that their packaging was this good, I definitely would have bought some more of the $1 items. So look at this. It comes in its own little envelope with a little string to go ahead and tie it up. But these little, God, I can't think of what these are called. Spools are a lot tinier. I thought I would be able to wrap ribbon around here and send it off in like the embellishment box or, you know, just for like Happy Mail. But you'd need a really thin ribbon to fit in there. So I think I could still make it work. But yeah, these were a lot smaller than I thought. And I ended up buying 2 of those. I think they were just $1. I got some of these little sticky notes right here that you can use for your planner. And these were $1. There are 6 different colors and 40 of each. So that's a lot for $1. And then there were these that are Merry Christmas. I love the Merry Christmas part. I don't use Merry Xmas in anything. It just takes me back to when I was in catechism over at the Catholic school. And I'll never forget that we were taught you never use Xmas because you are crossing out the Christ portion of Christmas. So ever since then, it just kind of stuck in my head that I don't use that. So These I will not be using, so I basically bought it for the Merry Christmas little paper clips right there, and I thought these were really cute, so I ended up getting 2 so that way I could have 2 sets of those. And then the last items I got were the dies. Like I said, look at how well they packaged everything, and it's so nice because it's like already sorted for you in each little bubble envelope. So let's see. Yeah, I got 2 of this one. So one is for myself and one I'm going to be sending to a crafty friend. And it is a heart little pocket. So you can see a little heart shape right here. And then it just makes a little pocket. So I thought this would be really cute. One of my goals is to make junk journals. I did one, but I didn't decorate it. I just put it together. So I need to share that with you guys. It's just a little mini one. It was kind of like a little practice thing. But I definitely want to add some more like stickers and lace to it, and then I think I'll really, really love it. But it was just a little mini thing, so I thought this would be good for junk journal since that's something I want to try. And like I said, I'm going to send one to a crafty friend. And then I think there's another one in here. This one. So this is just another little corner pocket die that I thought was really cute. Just a little scallop. And I got one for myself and one for a friend. Let's see, what else do I have? I have these little flowers. There is a stamp set that goes with this, but you really don't need it. So I'm just going to use this to cut out the flowers. And then I'm going to go ahead and roll each petal so that way it looks more realistic, and then layer them up. I got these butterflies. Again, there was a stamp that went to this, but I didn't want the stamp. I just wanted it for layering pieces. This one is really cool. Look at this bat up here. I really like the bat. There's like a little fall leaf. You have your little holly with the berries. You have a snowflake, a bow, some more little greenery. So I thought that one was cool. And then I got this one. It's a Day of the Dead stamp set. I really, really love Day of the Dead. It's a day to celebrate people that have passed. So I really liked this one a lot. And then we do have a celebration in town that Sunny and I usually go to. Before COVID, we went every year no matter what. But since COVID, we have not gone. And they did do the celebration last year, but I wasn't comfortable going out in a big crowd last year. So maybe this year I will change my mind and maybe we will be attending this year. So we'll just have to see. So I think that's it. Yep. So that was my little haul. They do offer free shipping if you spend $75 or more, but I didn't. With shipping and with everything I bought, it was like $40, and I think shipping was like $8. So I didn't think that was too horrible. It's basically like a flat rate little bubble mailer. So I didn't think that was too bad, and I didn't really want to go ahead and keep adding stuff to my cart just to try to get free shipping. I have more than enough stuff, as you guys know if you watch my shopping haul. So I thought this was a nice little set of items for me to go ahead and use and play with and see how I like it. I'm really interested to see how I like their stamps. You know, let me open this one because I'm kind of curious on what the stamp set looks like. Oh, it feels, oh, look. So this comes on a nice little plastic piece. That's really nice. Oh yeah, those are cute. Those are going to be really, really cute to go ahead and stamp and emboss with. So I'm excited about that. I did buy a bunch of embossing powders on clearance from Hobby Lobby, which I need to pull out and start using. So that was my thought with that, to go ahead and start using my stuff that I have, because I have so many supplies and I really do miss crafting on a regular basis. So I'm really excited to get back into that. So, alright guys, that is my little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. And like I said, this came from Spellbinders, so I'll just leave a link down below to their website as this sale has already ended. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I do post when I find sales. Like the other day that I was on vacation, I did find a mystery box that was available, and I did post that as well. So make sure you're following me and subscribe so you can get in on some of these amazing deals. And then when my mystery box comes in, I'll definitely be sharing that with you guys so you guys can check out what I got. I'm really excited about that mystery box because I've never bought a mystery box from this company before. So I can't wait to share that with you guys and see what comes in there. So, all right, guys, hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we will see you later. Bye, guys.